Hi, you join me here today at Hart Country Pub on Ufton Hill in Ufton, enjoying the spectacular panoramic, far-reaching countryside views. Ufton is a charming small village approximately 5 miles from Leamington Spa and 2 miles from Southam. There is a village hall, St Michael and All Angels Church, the Hart Country Pub and Ufton Fields Nature Reserve run by the Warwickshire Wildlife Trust. The property I'm about to show you is a 2-minute walk away from these fabulous views and has been meticulously remodelled and renovated and extended to provide a contemporary brand new 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom family home with a gravel driveway, garage and landscaped rear gardens. I'm Sarah from Fine & Country. Follow me, let's take a look inside Corner Cottage on White Hart Lane. Thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.